Right, so it's 7:30 something and still out there working. I think I finished for now. You can see that. One little part to mount up, but finished. And we looking. Yo, it's your boy Johnny from Simplifications and welcome back to Rebuilding the Tiida. We at least 80% completed today, right? So today is day 5. This will be our final episode. So you guys will see the finished product on Sunday. We got our stickers made today from Up Top Boss. He wasn't able to facilitate us with doing the ceramic 80% titanium. That is what I'll be going with. He's busy with some stuff. The interior finally finished mount up. Everything is completed inside. We had to wait for the painter to come today now. He's gonna polish up. We're gonna stick up our visors, our spoilers, put back in the cowl panel. Basically get the car really prepped and ready for the show on Sunday with all the shine. So that being said, the car remained with the clear glass. That honestly, that is the look I really wanted to go with. Saturday, we will be cleaning on the car and getting it ready and prepped. And Sunday will be the big reveal of everything coming together nicely. And yeah, this will be the finished product of the Project Tiida. Right, so it's around 3 p.m. and the guys from New Look Auto Body Works is here and we're gonna get the shine.
Say hi, Hayden.
So yeah, stay tuned.
So guys, this is the painter who did the Tiida. Hayden from New Look. We'll tag him. Give the people an update.
Doing some little fancy Tina finish over there. Polishing, auto glue down. Using the good auto glue. End of day 5. Finished mount up the Tiida outside. We officially finished. Finished polish up and thing. So it's just a little washing and a little neatening up and we're good to go. The interior finish. So you guys could get a little sneak peek at that. All I have to say is Sunday, be outside and you'll get to witness this beast in real. Rockback, we coming.